In this video, we demonstrate how easy it is to integrate Lemonade Server with Open WebUI, unlocking its full suite of features while running large language models locally on your Ryzen AI PC. This includes running Python inside the app, rendering HTML, and more. Instead of juggling multiple apps separately, Open WebUI gives you one interface, where you can launch and switch between different AI models and services. To learn how to install and use Lemonade Server, check out our previous video, linked in the description. We'll demonstrate the installation, setup, and use of Open WebUI with Lemonade Server. These instructions can be found by navigating to the Lemonade Server website shown in the link here. Then click on the Open WebUI logo to open the step-by-step guide. To install Open WebUI, start by creating a Conda environment with the recommended Python version of 3.11. Activate your Conda environment and install Open WebUI. Once installation finishes, you can launch it using the command open WebUI serve. Then you can navigate to the URL as shown at the top of the screen. If this is your first time using Open WebUI, you'll be prompted to create an account. After logging into your account, we'll point Open WebUI to Lemonade Server. To do this, click the user picture, Settings, and then Connections. Click the plus button to add a new connection. In the URL field, point to the local host and use the port number for Lemonade. Then enter any value such as a dash for the API key. Click Save. Next, let's adjust some settings that help Open WebUI to be more responsive with local LLMs. Click the User Profile Admin panel and the Settings tab along the top. Select Interface on the left side. Then we're going to disable title, follow-up, and tags generation. Click Save. Then use the hamburger button to open the menu and click on the symbol for New Chat. From the drop-down menu, we can select from any of the models we have downloaded. We'll use our system tray to check for the lemon icon to confirm that Lemonade Server is running and then prompt our model. Now that we have Open WebUI set up, let's try prompting a vision language model. In the system tray, click on the lemon icon and open Model Manager. Scroll to where you see a model labeled Vision and click the plus button to download the model. Next, I'll take a screenshot of the page so I can ask the VLM about Lemonade's web app design. We'll paste in the picture and ask our model for feedback. Note, if you don't see the newly downloaded model, try refreshing the WebUI page. Vision language models are great for analyzing screenshots, diagrams, or even UI layouts, so this is a powerful way to get design feedback instantly. Next, let's try prompting a different model. This time, we'll use Qwen 1.5 with 7 billion parameters and the hybrid variant. We'll ask the model to write a Python script that makes a 3D plot. This model is a hybrid model, which will use the Neural Processing Unit and integrated GPU in my Ryzen AI PC. Specifically, I'm using the Ryzen AI 395 Plus with 128 gigabytes of memory, with everything running locally. When the model finishes generating the Python code, we can click Run to execute the code right in the Open WebUI window to see the results. This makes experimenting with code intuitive, especially for visual tasks like plotting. No switching apps or terminals. Everything runs right inside Open WebUI. For our last example, let's try creating a 3D wireframe of a cube using Three.js. We'll use the Qwen 3 model with 14 billion parameters running on my Ryzen AI 395 Plus GPU. Just a quick note, dependencies for Three.js have already been installed for this demo. Because the model generates a fairly long response, we've sped up part of the output, but the beginning and end are shown in real time so you can see the actual performance. The model is generating HTML, and the result is an HTML preview right in WebUI. If you're curious, try modifying the cube. Adjust its size, color, or rotation, and see how the model responds. It's a great way to explore and learn by doing. We hope this video gave you a glimpse into how powerful Open WebUI can be, and just how easy it is to run large language models locally with Lemonade Server. Thanks for watching this video on Lemonade Server. To get started, navigate to the URL shown here and provided in the video description. Try adding it into your own application and let us know about it at lemonade@amd.com. Be sure to like and subscribe to see future content.